Welcome in the world of art of living. Assalamu alaikum. I am Abu Yusuf. My ID is 201153106.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Isradhan Sharna. ID is 201153710.
Namaskar, I am Kishore Kumar Sarkar. My ID is 201153450.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mahfouza Mubarak. My ID is 201153513. Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to talk. Today, our presentation topic is job, work, and business search technique in 21st century. I'm going to talk about define the term and work. Define the term. The working world has changed dramatically, and the old search technique for job, work, and business don't work anymore. We need new search technique to survive and thrive in the 21st century workplace, whether we work for ourselves or other people. Work. What is work? Sustained physical or mental effort to overcome obstacles and achieve an objective or result is called work. Why it's necessary? In this competitive world of the 21st century, the importance of searching work is much higher because without it, a person won't be able to successful competitor and a leader on the struggle for survival. How can we get? Some techniques to search work. Build your own brand. It is the smartest move in the 21st century. The work for personal branding determines how companies view and think for us. It's showing us our interest, philosophy, and style the way we want to be shown. It also helps us to get good work opportunities. Social media. Using social media like as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc., we can be able to connect with different people, pages, and sites and easily find our needed work. Or work for own varsity. There are hundreds of part-time jobs on campus for students, including event work, admin jobs, and giving guide tours to prospective students. With decent pay and hour, these jobs are gold dust. Talk to friends and family. Staff referrals are one of the most popular methods for hiring employees, as companies often to prefer hire someone who can be trusted by their loyal employees. It is very easy to find employment by looking for vacancies from friends and family members working in the industries where we want to work. Follow newspaper. When the job post of a company becomes vacant, its recruitment notice is given in the newspaper. We can easily find our employment if we keep an eye on the newspaper. Check out career fairs. Careers and graduate fairs aren't just about the freebies. These fairs are also a fantastic opportunity to meet and talk directly to big-time employees and recruiters. They have paid for the stall. They are standing at for the sole purpose of speaking to job seekers. So we need to take the advantage of being in this rare position. That's all from me. I am requesting Kishore Kumar to present the rest.
I am going to talk about job. In the current scenario, the job search market has become more competitive than ever. Successful job seekers are employing various job search strategies to stand out from the crowd and find an appropriate job for themselves. Most importantly, the strategies can help us stand out from the crowd. So there are many techniques we can follow. Use of website. The power of the internet is being increased day by day, almost all over the country. The 21st century has made advertising through internet as their basic search criteria. It has opened up doors for many legion of job sites like bidjobs.com and careerjets.com. Online ads. The best job hunting tactics in 21st century are advertising for employers in the internet. Instead of publishing on national, local, and regional newspaper, Posting ads online is beneficial. A single fee is ample for publishing online ads. Electronic resume. Using paper resumes and submitting for each company has vanished. The 21st century is making use of emails, which is attached to the email body and sent to different employers. It is an advanced way to be updated. We can use many resume highlighting skills for every job. Networking. Building networks and enhancing professional contacts is possible in the 21st century. During the process of job hunt, developing network with professional contact with the help of social media is possible in this 21st century. Agency and recruiters. The 21st century has made receiving an interview call a bit easier because there are many recruiters who work to offer interview chances for job seekers. Job questers can just forward their resume and they handle it in a very professional way. So finding recruiters is important strategy in 21st century. Email alerts. Setting up email alerts is another strategy which is used by many applicants. Everyone applies for job each day, where setting up email alerts can be advantageous because it offers more importance than other mail. That's all from me. I am requesting Shona for the next speech.
I'm talking about business. So, what is business? Business is an occupation or trade, the purchase and sale of products to make a profit, according well, through the satisfaction of human wants. Why business is necessary? Business is extremely important in 21st century because it provides both goods and services, also create job opportunities as they need people to pursue and sell their goods and services to customers. Without it, the economic aspect of any country will become much smaller and weaker. Some technique of business. Market analysis. There's an important section we should pay carefully attention to the market analysis. It helps to understand our target market and how we can thrive within it. It our contribution to our marketing strategy by defining your target customer and researching their buying habits. Business intelligence. There are some strategies used for business process data analysis. One of the most prominent of those strategies is called business intelligence. It is basically an enterprise working the capturing and evaluating different aspects of its customer and competitions. These studies are used to collect, store, analysis, and provide intelligent information about enterprise data to identify trend or pattern to support our decision making process. So enterprise can make more accurate decision making strategies and strategically manage issues. Digitalization. There are clear benefits to the wider economic if small business further increase their use to broadband and mobile service. The business themselves benefit from growth and increase providing from engaging with the digital economy. Small business who embrace and more likely to grow. Being online allows small business to sell goods and service in market. Smaller business is increasingly so interest and emailing them to use video content, cloud-based service and remote work. Facilitated business operations. Facilitation in business organizational development, and consensus decision making refer to the process of designing and running a successful meeting. It considers it with all the text needed to run a product and important meeting. It is the use with a wide range situation and occupation, including workplaces, leisure and health activities, organizational planning and community development. This strategy can be used in business. That's all from me. I'm request MD Abu Yusuf to present the rest.
I am going to talk about real life example and summary. Freelancing. It is a big real life example for getting a work. A person who is self-employed and not necessarily committed to a particular employer long term. Freelancing workers are sometimes represented by a company or a temporary agency that resells freelance labor to clients. Other works independently or use professional association or work to get work. There always use of self-profile or website, which is essential in 21st century. Job. In real life online site, BDJobs is very popular for job search at present. BDJobs is the first and leading career management site in the century. In-depth understanding of the needs of job seekers and employers in the country's context started this venture on July 2000. Right after its launching, and the site has been able to attract the internet users in the country. The site regularly updates job information, provide facility to the job seeker for posting resume and online application. The site has also been able to get good response for a large number of organizations in the country who online job advertisement facility. Online CV Bank access the online application receiving and processing facilities BDJobs. E-commerce. It is involved with buying and selling of products and services and businesses and consumers through an electronic medium. E-commerce is classified into four categories: business to business, business to consumer, consumer to consumer, business to government. Business to business e-commerce involves distribution management, inventory management, and channel management. Business to consumer e-commerce involves software, ebook, games, song, as well as e-banking. Consumer to consumer e-commerce involves online auction, peer-to-peer system. Business to government is usually used for licensing process, public and other government operations. Summary. Since the 21st century is a competitive century, to survive in this century, we need to fix up the pathway of career development and planning as required. Try to keep fit for achieving and local global success in career as an entrepreneur or a job seeker. Prepare yourself with all legal and business documents for becoming an entrepreneur as a per requirement. Utilize ICT for searching job, working environment and enhancement and business promotion. That's all. Thank you.